Oh, why'd you let it die?
I was up.
Oh, come on.
Fuck!
You know what's the swearing there? Hey, you're on video, just so you know. First video here. Tractor Tug of Wars.
Way to go, Sloop. You
Sloop
killed
already
me.
killed. First one.
Pull the car back up.
Oh, you serious? It's not
Wait,
even.
if I fuck him now, I win, right?
Yeah, but it's not even. You tell me, I really got to bring this car back over. Oh, that's a whole bunch of black. Nobody wants to see that. Where are you going?
What are you saying? You racist or something?
I'm recording. No. I'm already recording because I figured we were ready to go.
Here we go. We blame on Sloop.
These guys, fucking. I'm over here probably taking pictures. This ain't easy recording this.
See, you know my tractor's gonna outpull your tractor, right?
Back up and running! God, is it cold out here?
Man, I can't feel my fingers.
Oh, I know, it's cold as can be. I don't even know if I can get a good view. Oh gosh. Wait, we're dead. He killed it again. This is going well. It's going real well. Whoa! Still reverse there, buddy.
What happened there?
Hey, he went to yank you and it just shut off. Back at this. Oh God. I can't even get the goddamn pedal.
Turn it on, dummy. I did.
You got him on the right side?
Yeah. I'm not colorblind.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's on. Because you have it in gear. Now what'd you do? Give me 2 minutes.
Sloop broke it.
2 minutes, Sloop. Maybe it actually blew up.
We just bought this. I mean, it was free, but still.
This tractor's doo-doo. What are you doing?
It's not locked up.
I need jumper cables.
Come on. I don't want to pull the car back in here.
Yeah, my fucking hands are
Jumping
fried.
off of Casey. She's running now. Oh, by the way, this is Casey. I know you can't really see it. Got a nice plow.
It dies again, man.
If it dies again, we're grabbing the quad. We're doing this one way or another.
Broke it.
Oh, it's
She's
dead. How's it dead?
She's dead.
Oh, you really killed it.
I might have.
Seriously? No! Come on now. Get off there. There we go. Stumbling.
Weight reduction.
I don't. The clutch, the pedal isn't in.
I have the emergency brake on.
I don't think it's working. You blew it up.
Spark plug still connected?
I can't believe you blew this up. We just got this. Oh, get the quad. We're burning daylight. I'm getting cold.
Daylight is
I know, it's already
out.
dark. Shut up. Get the quad. Let's get the
I
swollen.
can't feel my hands.
I know. Let's get another 5 minutes here. This thing's beat. Snoop broke it already. Way to go.
Didn't even get one pull at it.
Oh, you got one yank. I don't even know if I got a good video of it either.
Break my quad, I'll kick your ass.
This guy.
Hey, bro. About to spin some gravel on him.
I guess let's get this thing somewhere. Huh? Yeah.
Ow, we're still connected.
Oh. That's a problem.
We need that in.
This video is gonna be so like choppy and everywhere.
You back in there, Steph?
I'm cameraman.
I don't give a shit.
Cameraman doesn't do anything. No, that's all. That's where it's going. Let's just see what T's up to.
Pulling my ass off.
God, this lighting's horrible. God, is this lighting horrible?
Turn your light on.
I don't even know how to right now.
You swipe. Everything is swipe nowadays.
It doesn't do anything. Where are you going? Alright, so this is now turned into a quad-burst tractor. I have this thing on my screen, I can't. Hey, you know how to get rid of this?
You can't see that.
My hands are so.
Come in through the side.
Move the tractor. do. Wait, hold on. Look at the rut you built. Look what you did. Holy.
Why would you park it there? You know I'm nuts.
You weren't supposed to go. This is insane.
I didn't know I was digging. No shit, I'm getting hit with stuff.
That's what I'm saying. You were supposed to pepper him, but you weren't supposed to pepper him that hard.
Jackass. Well.
I didn't even have that. God damn it! I had the camera down.
I was trying to pepper it.
Hey, let's take this out on the road.
What?
Hey, grab my car, turn it around, and turn the headlights on. Trying to get back here in time. But if you're in the mood to feel nutty,
Kinda.
I'm having Sloop turn the car around so you got some headlights.
Players might not want to fire back up.
Oh boy.
I break the old lady's watch, she's gonna be pissed.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
Sorry for the darkness. Turn the high beams on. Holy shit! Hey! Huh? Yeah, as long as he didn't crack my windshield.